Hello, counselors. This is Christy Hirschberg. I wanted to introduce Mrs. Lindenmeyer. She is our full-time online social studies teacher, and we need your help.
So I just wanted to reach out to you guys and make you aware of a really cool offering that we have for our online students. It is Honors World History, and it is gifted. And I'm really trying to get those classes filled to hopefully about 7 to 10 kids so they can have some good conversation and talk with each other and learn from each other in those courses. So if you have some kids that have that prerequisite of a high enough gifted score, I would really appreciate if you would send them my way to World History Honors World History 1 gifted and Honors World History 2 gifted.
And so you can find the website at dvusd.org/online and click the register button. And that'll take students and families to go sign me up. And then you'll click on the social studies open tab. The students can take either the 14-week or even the fast track if that's an appropriate option for them. And then just make sure that they're selecting the gifted course. And then what's the requirement or qualification?
The qualification is qualifying gifted scores. So make sure that you check in with their gifted scores in Power Schools to make sure that they have that completed. But
Nice.
Otherwise, just thank you for listening, and we really appreciate all your help.
Registration closes January 15th, and they're brand new, sparkly new classes.
Gorgeous classes.
Built by
I'm so
Lindenmeyer.
excited for them, actually. So
All right. Thank you, guys.
thank you.